Hey everyone, welcome back to Steakman AI. Today I'll show you how to create stunning Japanese-style characters using Leonardo AI. If you love anime, manga, or traditional Japanese art, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Accessing Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai and sign up. It's free to start. You will get daily tokens to generate images instantly. Step 2. Choosing the right AI model. For Japanese-style characters, I recommend Art Diffusion, perfect for anime-style designs. Select it, and you are all set. Step 3. Generating a perfect prompt with ChatGPT. Instead of writing a prompt manually, let's use ChatGPT. Just type, "Write me a prompt for a samurai character with red hair." Boom! Now we have a detailed prompt covering character, outfit, background, and lighting. Step 4. Adjusting your settings before generating. Step 5. Generating and refining your character. Hit Generate, and let Leonardo AI do its thing. In seconds, you will have a high-quality Japanese-style character. Found this helpful? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI tutorials. Comment what character you want to create next. See you in the next video. Bye!